Today I'm going to talk about how you can make money using your phone. Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Virenji Aida and I'm the host. First of all, before you make money, you have to be with a phone, a smartphone. After getting the phone, you can do the following procedures to earn more money. If you have a smartphone, you can use it first of all to own a YouTube channel. You create a YouTube channel. Through YouTube channel, you can earn some extra income in the way that after reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube posts adverts on your videos. Then through those adverts, you gain some money from YouTube. That is one of the way you can earn money using your phone. Another thing, you can become an online writer. Most people, like the office people, want their documents to be computerized, but they don't have time for that. Becoming a writer, you can offer them those services, hence gaining money from them. They don't have time for writing down their documents, so they pay writers to write them and send them to them, hence gaining money and extra income. Thirdly, you can get money using your phone by creating Facebook pages. If you have a Facebook page and when that page is active, companies may decide to advertise on your page. Like if you have like 1,000 likes, followers, you attract many companies to advertise on the page. And the more they advertise on your page, the more you earn and get paid for that services. So you can create a Facebook page and start earning money using your phone. Another thing, you can earn money online by creating a website. If you own a website, you can start posting like videos of musicians. You can sell your stuff on your website, like your products you're selling, and attract more traffic on your website. The more you have more traffic, the more companies are willing to advertise on your website, hence earning some money on your website, giving you an extra income. So if you want to earn more money or earn money online, you can create a website. Another way to earn money online or using your phone is to become a content creator. Many people there, they have websites, but they don't know how to create content. So you can decide to create content for them and create your own content and sell them to them. Becoming a content creator may help you earn some money. The more you create the content, the more you can sell them to the people in need of it. That one can help you earn some extra income. Another thing, you can become a blogger. Bloggers are paid. If you post something and it attracts many views, followers, you can get verified by the social media apps like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. When you get verified, they start to advertise on your blogs, hence creating an extra income for you. I think those are some of the ways you can earn using your phone. One thing, become a YouTuber. Secondly, create a Facebook page. Thirdly, become a writer. The fourth thing, you can create a website Another thing, you can become a blogger. Lastly, you can also participate in freelancing. Freelancing, it means you are willing to offer your services to people. You can either do it at home using your computer, your phone. Also, freelancing services can help you earn some more money. Well, those are one of the ways you can get money using your phone. Thank you for listening to me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you.